Maybe over the last 10 or 15 years, the question I've been asked the most is SEO or PPC? Obviously, I'm a huge fan of both because both tactics leverage the power of Google, which is intent. You're actively reaching people at the moment they're most interested in searching for the products and services you can sell. And in an ideal world, you'll do both. But in the real world, we have to make choices a lot of times. So if you're deciding between the two different tactics, then think about the following three questions. The first, how quickly do you need results? Second, how competitive are the keywords you're going after? And third, what kind of shape is your site in? Some differences between the two. With PPC, it's extremely fast. You can get up ads immediately, you can make changes at any time, but once you turn them off, there's no residual benefit. On the SEO side of things, it takes a lot longer. For a typical site, think maybe 6 months before you start seeing major impact. But the results continue even after you stop doing SEO campaigns. So you need something quickly, PPC, building long-term value, SEO. Then start doing research on the keywords. On the advertising side, how expensive are they going to be to bid on and get the clicks? It might be that it's out of your financial range where it actually makes sense once you start doing the math. On the SEO side, look at the first page. Is it filled with big boys that are going to be really difficult for you to compete against? And then finally, think about your site. If it doesn't perform well now, you can get around that typically with advertising by using landing pages. But you don't have that luxury with SEO. So you don't really want to spend the time and effort to get people to your site if it's not going to convert and reflect well on you. Hopefully these questions provide you a starting framework for you to think about. Every situation is unique, but I hope this helps. Stay safe, be well, and be generous with giving and accepting help.